Hi everyone, it's Blair here again from Watch Me Backup Online. Now that you've downloaded Mozy for your computer, you need to know how to set it up for a backup. In this video, I'm going to show you how to do that. So let's check it out. Here we are back at the Mozy dashboard once again. It'll show you a few things, like when your next backup is scheduled, when the last backup happened, how much data has been selected, and how much is awaiting to be backed up. We're going to go to Files and Folders to set up our backup. I've created a folder full of test files that we can use to set for a backup. Beside each file I want to set, you'll notice the plus button. Click on that and that'll set the file to be backed up. As I go through the folder and set up files to be backed up, you notice the green dot beside the ones that I've selected for a backup. You'll also notice the yellow dot for the folders where part of the folder or some of the files have been selected for a backup. There's also an advanced feature that allows you to select either files to backup that we've selected already or ones that maybe we don't want to backup. You can go in and pick a file and folder. This will allow you to browse throughout your computer to maybe pick a folder en masse. You may want to pick a suggested file and folder. These are basically categories that Mozy has pre-selected of areas on your computer that are important to be backed up. Or there's also a third option, it's advanced of the advanced, that allows you to set up rules, maybe based on a particular location on your computer, or maybe based on a file extension, whatever the case may be. There's a bunch of different ways that you can set up rules to basically set up the backup automatically. We're going to stick with these 6 files for now for our backup. You'll notice back on our dashboard that we've got 6 files selected and 6 files awaiting to be backed up. We're going to back up now. Now, you'll notice there's not much happening here on the Mozy dashboard, but if you look up in the top right hand corner if you're on the Mac, or maybe it's in the taskbar if you're on Windows, you'll see the Mozy icon flashing in and out. This means that something's happening and that Mozy's actually doing the backup. Unfortunately, there's no progress bar like maybe Carbonite or some of the other tools out there. But basically, this is a good time to go grab a coffee, maybe a sandwich, and just sit tight as Mozy takes care of doing your backup. Once the backup is complete, you'll notice now that the waiting backup goes to 0, and the total space used now has gone to our 9 megabytes full of data. If you want to verify that the backup has happened, the other thing you can do is look in the history folder. This history will show you a quick few details about the last backup we just did. It'll tell you how long it took, how many files were in there, how much data we backed up, and it'll also show you each of the files listed of what we backed up. And there we go, we've done a backup with Mozy. Watch Me Backup Online gives you online backup reviews, how-to videos, and backup guides and tips, so you can learn how to keep your data protected. Check it out at watchmebackuponline.com. Thanks for watching.